Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add a newly created field on page layout. So I have created one field on account object. So I wanted to add that field into account page layout. So how to do it? For this, let's get started. Click on this setup icon, then click on object manager. Here you can see, then open the account object, and here you can see the page layout option. So I wanted to add the newly created field on this account layout. So click on that account layout. So the name of the field is account source. So I want to add this account source below this industry field. So what will I do? I will click on this and I will drag and drop this field below industry. Okay. Then by clicking on quick save, it will save this. But if you click on save button, then it will redirect you to all the page layouts page. And I want to add another field like operating hours. So I will drag this field and drop below SIC code. Then I click on this click save. Then I want to add the click clean status below active. So just you need to drag and drop the fields at the place. Then click on I will click on save. Now it's done. Okay, the page layout gets updated now. So let's check. I'll click on this account, then open this page command. Then click on detail button. Then here you can see the account source, which is just below the industry field, and clean status also you can see here just below active. So all the fields gets now added to page layout successfully. In this way, you can add field to the page layouts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, please add comment to below this video. Thank you.